Hi guys, I'm Dan with Fort Meigs Historic Site. With me today is Doug Johnson. He is one of our miniature wargamers, and he actually runs this big event that's going on in the visitor center right now. They've kind of taken over the entire thing.
It's true.
Doug, tell me a little bit about what the organization is, what your group is.
Historical Miniatures Gaming is a national organization which promotes history, the study of history, and mostly through miniature games, reenactments of historical battles of different types. They can be anything from naval wars to air combat to infantry of any time period.
Very cool.
Yep.
Very cool. And the event that's going on, this was happening yesterday, it's happening all day today too.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about this event?
Drums at the Rapids is an event that we started 20 years ago, and for the past many years we've been here at the fort. We started here, in fact, even before this building was built, Dr. Nelson would open the fort for us and give us a tour because all history is related. And ever since the visitor center has been built, we've used this facility to run our games and our demonstrations of all different types of historical battles. Our members which run the games can choose any historical period. They can be anything from ancient Greeks to World War II and beyond. They can be any scale. It's really a hobby which is open for the people that are involved in it to get in any level they want.
And you mentioned Dr. Nelson.
Yes.
Who's this?
He was the site manager at Fort Meigs here.
Yeah, Dr. Larry Nelson. That's right.
Dr. Larry Nelson, exactly. Yep.
And you guys, I know you'll be back later on this year too, right?
Yes. We do another event here at the fort in November. It's always on the first Saturday in November. It's called the World at War. That event is open more to the public, and it was established to get younger people involved in studying history and playing across from another personality rather than something on your phone or something like that. You're playing with a real person, and you don't require any batteries.
Yeah, no batteries.
Right.
Well, Doug, thank you so much for taking the time today. I know you're really busy running this event this weekend, so
okay.
Thanks so much.
All right, thank you.
Take care.